Which political party won the most seats in the Delhi Assembly election 2025? The correct answer is option C, Bharatiya Janata Party. How many seats did the Bharatiya Janata Party win in the 2025 Delhi Assembly election? The correct answer is option B, 48. After how many years did the BJP secure a majority in the Delhi Assembly election? The correct answer is option C, 27 years. How many seats did the Aam Aadmi Party win in the 2025 Delhi Assembly election? The correct answer is option B, 22. When did the voting take place for the Delhi Assembly election 2025? The correct answer is option C, 5th February. How many registered voters were in the voter list for Delhi Assembly election 2025? The correct answer is option D, 1.5 crore. How many total seats are there in Delhi Assembly? The correct answer is option C, 70. How many seats are required for a majority in the Delhi Assembly? The correct answer is option B, 36. When was the first Assembly election held in Delhi? The correct answer is option C, 27th March 1952. Who was the first Chief Minister of Delhi? The correct answer is option B, Brahm Prakash. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of Delhi? The correct answer is option B, Sushma Swaraj. When was Delhi made a union territory? The correct answer is option D, 1st November 1956. When was Delhi designated as National Capital Region? The correct answer is option C, 1991. By which amendment of the Constitution Delhi has become a National Capital Territory? The correct answer is option D, 69th Constitutional Amendment Act 1991. Under which ruler did Delhi first become the capital? The correct answer is option C, Tomara Rajput. When was Delhi made the capital of India? The correct answer is option B, 1911. What is the total number of districts in Delhi? The correct answer is option C, 11. On the banks of which river is Delhi situated? The correct answer is option B, Yamuna. Who is credited for the construction of the Red Fort in Delhi? The correct answer is option B, Shah Jahan. What was the ancient name of Delhi described in Mahabharata? The correct answer is option C, Indraprasth. Which was the first dynasty to rule Delhi? The correct answer is option B, Slave Dynasty. Rajia Sultan, the first female ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, belonged to which dynasty? The correct answer is option C, Slave Dynasty. Which bird is the state bird of Delhi? The correct answer is option D, house sparrow. What is the number of Lok Sabha members in Delhi? The correct answer is option B, 7. What is the number of Rajya Sabha members in Delhi? The correct answer is option B, 4. Subscribe this channel for more general knowledge, current affairs, GK questions and answers videos.